guys, so today I'm gonna be
recreating Play-Doh slime. I'm so excited.
This is what I got. It's just what I showed you already. I think this will make a pretty decent slime. I got some decent ingredients. Alright, guys, I got it, so let's just get started. First, we're going to need a container to mix it in. So, yeah. So, I'm thinking that it should be school glue because the slime is super thin. It does not feel like cloud slime. That much? Yeah, that much is good. And then we're gonna try to make the perfect color. It's probably not gonna turn out too well. So it's kind of like a light peachy color. So I'm gonna put 3 drops of yellow, 1 drop of red because the red's a lot stronger than the yellow. All right. Oh, this mixer really pretty. Let's see if we can make it the perfect peachy color. The sad thing is, or the challenging part about this is I can't look at the slime again. I actually don't know where I put it actually. My dad will find it for me. All right, so this is the color it turned out to be. It's a pretty decent color. I like it. So it's about the color. Do you think it's about the color? Yeah, I think it's about the color. The clay will help a lot. Okay, now we need to activate it with my magic powers. Whoa! Oh my god. Wow, that was cool. My magic powers actually did it this time. Sometimes my magic powers don't work. Okay, so they worked pretty well this time. Ooh, look at the color. And the texture is pretty cool. It's kind of like jiggly, thin, but thick at the same time. It's so glossy though. Okay, so the next step I think is what we should do is put some clay in it because it's a butter slime and this is not a butter slime. And kind of sticky, but we're gonna have to make it stickier somehow later. So I have this clay that I really love that I don't want to destroy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take half of it, this much of it, put the rest in here. So yeah. Then I'm gonna get this orange. Only get a little bit of the orange though, because this is like my favorite clay I have. It's so nice. So that's perfect. All right. Let's mix it and see how it makes my slime. Oh my gosh, I just realized how much I absolutely love mixing clay into slime. It's like the best thing ever. And by the way, I'm using magical clay. Wow, this clay made it feel like exactly like it. But guys, how are we supposed to make it the string type texture that we need? Because remember how the slime was super stringy in the beginning? Like it stretched let me try to do it. Stretch normally, then stretch it used to be like it does this and then it goes like it's thick and then it's super thin. This is a little too much orange. No, I think it's Gucci. Okay, so what we're gonna need, be right back, you guys. Hey guys, so I added some lotion into it. It made it a little bit more like the texture. It's very beautiful. So now it's judgment's time to see how different the slimes are. So I'll be right back, and I'm gonna go get that slime. Guess which one's the store-bought slime or the homemade slime. If you guess this one's the store-bought slime, you are correct. So you guys, stick so much. I did not make the right color at all. Like at all. Look, like this one is so much nicer texture. This one is like so sticky. I don't know how they made it so sticky, but it is. This one's stretchy, not sticky, beautiful color. This one is sticky, not pokey, very stretchy. But you can't really like take it anywhere because it's so sticky and it'll get everywhere. But if you love sticky store-bought slimes and you like ones that feel like really watered down clay, then this is the perfect slime for you. So, yeah. Don't really enjoy playing with this. So, tell me which slime you... I'm literally trying to not get this to stick to my hands, but I can't. So, in the comments down below, tell me which slime you like better, that store-bought slime or my beautiful slime. Guys, you have to vote my beautiful peach colored slime. I know I didn't really get the color right, so I think I did a 4 out of a 10 good. So this round is sort of failed, but let's get on to the next round. Alright guys, so the next slime I'm going to be recreating is this tie-dye slime. It's pink. It's very like fluffy, sizzly. It inflates. It's super stretchy. It's butter slime. It's amazing. I love the texture. I love the color. I don't know how I'm supposed to recreate this. It's going to be very hard, but we can try. All right, let's go get our ingredients. All right, you guys. So I've got my slime ingredients, and I think we are ready to get this. Okay, so what I've got some Lily Well. I got some shampoo. I have my 2 air dry clays. And I've got these 2 babies. Yeah. Okay, so. Alright, so what we're first going to need is obviously we're going to need a container. But I don't really have the right container, so I'm going to have to deal with it. We'll use this container. Alright, so first, we're going to pour some Lily Well into the bowl. Only a little bit because this is a little slime. So yeah, that's good. Then we're going to need to put in ours. I really hope this is how you make pink. I'm going to put in 1... How light is the color? I can't remember. I'm going to say it's like sort of blue. I'm going to not risk it. I'm going to put 2 drops. If it's too dark, I can just put another drop of yellow, so that's good. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 drops of yellow and 2 drops of red. Whoa!
Now I'm going to activate it with my magical powers.
That was cool. I just made some slime with my magical powers. And this is a really nice slime. Okay, so I'm thinking we're gonna put the clay in now to make it the best color. So this is my favorite clay. I don't want to use it. I really don't want to use this clay. It's like my favorite clay ever. I'm only gonna put like this much there. Yes. And now I'm gonna put this clay. I like a lot. Very nice texture. But I'm gonna put all of it. Let's see how much it needs. So I put that much in. Now, if it needs more, I'll put more of the other colored clay in. This is like a, whoa. You guys have to take a screenshot of this. You can, whoa, heck. That is amazing. Amazing job, 10 out of 10. Wow. I think this is literally this feels like the exact same texture. Like, I'm not even joking. It's just a little bit dark, so I'm gonna put a little bit more of this. We have this much left. Okay. Okay, so this is probably my favorite slime ever. But we gotta give that sizzly texture. So we got our shampoo. So we're just gonna put a little bit of shampoo in. Hopefully it turns out okay. It's probably not a good idea because this is a colored shampoo. Let's see. Ooh! It smells amazing. It feels literally exactly like the slime that I just had. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, it literally, okay. This is probably the best slime I've made ever. Let's put a little bit more lotion. Perfect. Make sure it's super sizzly. It also makes the slime feel so good. Twirl. Yes. Yeah. Yes. This is the amazingest slime ever. I love it. Okay, so after I clean up the table, we're gonna see which slime looks more like if you can tell the difference from each slime. I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so which slime is my slime and which slime is the store-bought slime? If you guessed this was my slime, you are correct. Just kidding, this is the store-bought slime. This is the slime I made. I'm kidding. Okay, so this is the slime I made. It's a little, the only thing is, it's just a little bit tougher than this one. If I just use school glue, it would be perfect. Like if I just had either foam soap and glue wall or no foam soap and school glue. So yeah. So I think I did like a 7 out of 10. If I just had a little bit of a different color, it would be perfect. but I couldn't look at it, so. Alright, you guys, hope you liked my video. Please big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and bye!